So welcome to H-QTV YouTube channel. So my name is Samuel Oyemi, and what I'm going to do, I've already made a video in maybe 3 weeks ago about GoWagr. That is how to create an account on GoWagr. I already make a video about that, and I think I made one other video about GoWagr. Maybe I think how to deposit or something like that. But this video I'm going to tell you how to cash out. But before that, I'm going to tell you how to predict first, because if you don't know how to predict, can end up losing your money, and I don't want that for you. So the first thing you have to do is click on the app. So once you click on the GoWagr app, the first thing is you don't have to make a prediction of any post or any prediction that you see, any prediction post. Just scroll down to the one that you want to predict. Let me say I want to predict maybe Whiskey is going to make a post on X today. That is August 2. So that means that maybe if Wizkid post yesterday, can say Wizkid will not post today, because Wizkid is a person that doesn't like posting every day. Can be once in a week, or sometimes maybe there's a banter on Twitter. That is what can even make Wizkid to post. So if there's no banter between him and Davido, or maybe Burna Boy, or there's no upcoming song that maybe you want to post on Spotify or Apple Play Music, and maybe we may not even post this week. But if any of these what I said earlier happened, that means that is a 50% guarantee that maybe Wizkid is going to make a post. Maybe there's a battle between Davido, and they haven't even saw it here, maybe on Twitter, or maybe a post going on between them. So maybe you can still say Wizkid is going to post. That is 50-50, not yet guarantee. And maybe there is a upcoming song. Maybe Wizkid wants to drop his song on maybe Apple Play or Spotify. We can say Wizkid may post on Twitter. That is 50-50, not 100% guarantee. And maybe maybe other artists featured him in a song, can still stay. But Wizkid doesn't even post about other people's song he was featured on. He just repost it. Yes, that is what he used to do. So just click on "Will Wizkid post on X today, August 21" before you make a prediction. So a lot of people has already make a prediction. Will Wizkid post on X today? By yes, I think Wizkid has already posted on X today. So let me scroll down. So Wizkid has not posted. And a lot of people has bought yes. So if by maybe 8 o'clock Wizkid has not posted anything on Twitter, this this prediction is going, a lot of people will started buying no. A lot of people will start buying no. So that means that the price of yes price is going to keep lower, or is going to keep low, while buy no price is going to keep going up. So that's what is going to happen. And let us not forget that Wizkid may decide to post anytime. So that is like, it doesn't have to do with maybe it's emotion. You can just decide that maybe I'm not posting today, and you may not even post in a week. Sometime even when you have even picked no, you may decide. And one thing about Wizkid is that you cannot predict Wizkid. You may even sleep by 11 p.m. in the evening, and Wizkid will post by 1 o'clock a.m. in the midnight, still in the midnight. That is one thing about Wizkid. So you can't even make a prediction. Maybe you can't make a prediction about snow. Maybe Wizkid is going to, because you can even drop a post before you even wake up. So there's something about Wizkid. So now let me say you pick no for maybe today, and maybe let's say Wizkid no later post on Twitter today, and this GoWagr is going to send you a notification on your Gmail. So let me show you how it's going to look like. So this is my Gmail app. So they are going to send you something like this. I'm coming. Okay, let me scroll down a little bit. So okay, this is it. So they are going to, so this is it. GoWagr, you got a payout So you are going to see something like this. So you got a payout for trading your opinion on with Elon Musk's July 28th 10:20 p.m. post on X. So my payout is 121 naira. Can't believe it, just 100 naira. So that's my payout for this post on the July 28th. That is like maybe 3 days ago. So 20:20 p.m. Elon Musk posted that post on Twitter. So there's just one thing about that. And how do you cash out? So once you make a payout and your prediction is correct, so just come to your to the top here. So go to your wallet. So you are going to see the payouts here. It's going to be added to your account balance. So if your, let me say your cash out is 6,000 and the prediction is correct for that day, you are going to see like 6,000 here. And how do you withdraw the money? So go to your wallet, go to wallet. Once you click on wallet, click on withdraw. You are going to see withdraw here. Click on withdraw. So you can choose a beneficiary. So this is my OP, and the minimum you can withdraw is to your OP or to any accounts number that you want to use is 500 naira. So you are just going to enter it. I don't have up to 500. Just click on, it's very fast. So before a minute you are going to see the credits alert on the accounts that you want to make a withdrawal to. So that it just is, I've used this many times, but I don't have money right now to make an example of that. So another time maybe I'm going to use my money if I have it there. So this is how you are going to cash out and make a prediction. It's sweet, a very beautiful prediction. Okay, let me tell you one thing. For example, now we Wizkid post on X today. So you can set, so if you already pick yes, maybe you buy no yes price, a very low one before the market rise, so you can quickly sell it. Maybe you want to use the money, so that is the part of it. You can just sell it here. Just come to Quilla. Under your portfolio you are going to see sell. So under it, so activities, not under activities, under portfolio, you are just going to see sell. You are going to sell your yes price and you are going to cash it out immediately. So that is one thing, one beautiful thing about go. I don't have to, don't wait for you to even have a cash out. Once you see the market has rise and it's in your favor and your money maybe has increased here under your portfolio, just sell it immediately and cash out. So that's one beautiful thing. And if you pick a no price also and the low price market has increased, you can quickly sell it to the no price and make a quick cash out. So that's just one thing, one sweet thing about GoWagr, and that is what I really love about this app. And also don't forget to use my referral code under this video because I do trade a lot and you are going to enjoy the benefits of using my referral code, and you are going to make keep making a sweet prediction. But don't go and just predict any game. Predict the game that, just if you want to predict with slow amounts so that your loss won't be big. So can predict with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, but don't go and be predicting like 15,000, 20,000 because you can lose your money within 1 hour or 30 minutes. So that just once you can lose your money within all your money within 30 minutes. So trade make a prediction with what you can afford to lose. So that's one thing I'm going to tell you. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, and use my referral code under this video description. I'm going to see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day. See you in the next video, guys.